Modern websites often use client-side rendering, known as CSR, with frameworks like React and Angular. Unfortunately, this can hinder AI tools from reading these sites effectively. Understanding this issue is essential for SEO, accessibility, and AI integration. Let's explore how CSR works when you visit a website. First, your browser requests the index.html file. The server responds with minimal HTML, containing a tag. Next, the browser downloads a JavaScript bundle, called bundle.js. The JavaScript then executes to dynamically render the page. This process results in a fully interactive website experience. Initially, the server sends this HTML before any JavaScript executes. This is the HTML structure: a title, meta tags, a NoScript message, and a root div. AI tools fetch web content by making HTTP requests and parsing the raw HTML. However, they cannot execute JavaScript. So, what can AI actually do? AI can parse HTML markup effectively. It can also extract text from meta tags and headings. Moreover, AI can follow links found on the page. Finally, it can read JSON data from APIs. On the other hand, there are limitations. AI cannot execute JavaScript code. It cannot render the virtual DOM either. AI is unable to wait for API responses. It also cannot interpret the logic of component frameworks. Lastly, AI cannot see content that appears after JS executes. As a result, AI sees an empty page, just like search engines do. Here are 4 methods to verify if a website is AI readable. First, try viewing the page source. Right-click and select View Page Source. If that has visible content, it's AI readable. If it shows mainly the tag, it's not readable. Next, disable JavaScript in your browser. For Chrome, press F12, Ctrl+Shift+P, and choose Disable JavaScript. In Firefox, modify the settings in About, Config to disable JavaScript. The result mirrors what AI tools can view. If content and navigation still work, it's AI readable. If it's blank or asks for JavaScript, it's not readable. Another method is to fetch raw HTML using curl. Run this command in your terminal to check the HTML. If the output shows content, it's AI readable. If it shows mostly empty tags, it isn't. You can also use online tools for testing. Use Google Search Console to inspect the URL. Screaming Frog SEO Spider can analyze JavaScript websites. Browserless or Playwright services will show accessible content. Google has made strides in rendering CSR sites, yet still encounters issues. Content in JavaScript takes longer to index and often ranks lower. As AI is adopted, businesses desire their content to be easily indexed. Unfortunately, CSR sites remain hidden from AI tools. Assistive technologies depend on semantic HTML for navigation. CSR sites pose navigation challenges for users with disabilities. One solution is server-side rendering to send complete HTML content. This allows AI and search engines to access all content and improves load times. However, it increases server load and needs specific frameworks. Another option is static site generation for pre-built HTML pages. This provides the fastest load times and perfect SEO visibility. Its drawback is that it's only suitable for infrequently changing content. Hybrid rendering combines server-side critical content with client-side interactivity. This option offers the best performance as it remains AI readable. However, it adds complexity to the architecture. Another option is to maintain CSR and offer a structured API. This solution is straightforward and useful for developers. It does not address SEO or accessibility problems effectively. Remember, if your site uses pure CSR, AI tools and search engines may overlook it. Content remains hidden until JavaScript runs, inaccessible to crawlers. Ensure that essential content is present in the initial HTML response. The approach, SSR, SSG, hybrid, or AP, depends on your needs, but always prioritize HTML over JavaScript. This adjustment will be crucial moving forward, as accessibility and AI integration are increasingly prioritized. Follow Uplatz for more tech-related concepts. Check our website if you are looking for a course on any technology. We have over 350 plus courses on different technology subjects.